The human eye is an extraordinary organ, specially designed to capture visual images and transmit them to the brain, enabling us to perceive the world around us. Let's break down its complex structure and understand how each part works to make vision possible. 1. Outer layer, the sclera and cornea. Starting from the outside, we have the sclera and cornea. The sclera, often called the white of the eye, is a tough, fibrous layer that gives the eye its shape and protects its delicate inner components. It covers most of the eye's outer surface, serving as a protective barrier. Next, the cornea is a clear, dome-shaped layer at the front of the eye. It's the eye's primary refractive surface, meaning it bends the light rays that enter the eye, helping to focus them. The cornea's convex shape and transparent nature allow it to refract light precisely, guiding it towards the inner eye structures. The cornea is extremely sensitive, containing many nerve endings to protect the eye from damage. 2. Middle layer, the vascular layer. Beneath the sclera is the vascular layer, or uvea, which supplies blood to the eye. This layer contains three main structures: the choroid, the ciliary body, and the iris. The choroid is rich in blood vessels and pigments. It has a dark, chocolate-brown color that absorbs excess light within the eye, preventing unwanted light from scattering and ensuring a clear image. This layer also supplies nutrients to the retina, which is crucial for maintaining eye health. The ciliary body is located just behind the iris and is an extension of the choroid. It contains ciliary muscles and glands that produce the fluid, called aqueous humor, filling the anterior and posterior chambers of the eye. These muscles are essential for controlling the shape of the lens. The iris, which gives the eye its color, is a circular structure that controls the size of the pupil. The pupil is the dark opening at the center of the iris, which adjusts based on the amount of light in the environment. When it's dark, the pupil expands to let in more light, while in bright conditions, it contracts to limit light entry, protecting the retina from overexposure. The lens. Behind the iris is the lens, a transparent, flexible structure that focuses light rays onto the retina. The lens changes shape thanks to the action of the ciliary muscles. It thickens to focus on close objects and flattens for distant objects. This process, called accommodation, is essential for clear vision at different distances. Inner layer, the retina. The innermost layer of the eye is the retina, a delicate layer of nerve tissue that plays a central role in vision. The retina contains light-sensitive cells known as rods and cones, which convert incoming light into electrical signals. Rods are more sensitive to low light and provide peripheral and night vision, while cones are responsible for color and detail perception in brighter light. At the retina's center is a region called the macula, which contains millions of densely packed cone cells. The fovea, a small pit within the macula, is the most sensitive part of the retina, providing sharp central vision necessary for activities like reading and recognizing faces. Transmission of signals to the brain. Once the retina converts light into nerve impulses, these signals are transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve. The brain then interprets these signals, creating the images we see. This process is so fast that it feels instantaneous, giving us a seamless view of our surroundings. Blood supply and fluid regulation. The eye receives its oxygenated blood from the ciliary arteries and the central retinal artery, while the central retinal vein and other veins drain deoxygenated blood. Proper circulation is crucial for eye health, providing nutrients and removing waste. The eye also contains fluid-filled chambers. The aqueous humor fills the space between the cornea and the lens, maintaining intraocular pressure and nourishing the lens and cornea. The vitreous humor, a gel-like substance, fills the space between the lens and the retina, helping the eye maintain its shape. Thanks for watching. Take care all of you.